Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on understanding quadrilaterals, chapter number 3.4, problem number 5. The question is, explain why a rectangle is convex quadrilateral. So actually, what do you mean by convex quadrilateral? So convex quadrilateral is one which has definitely 4 sides, right? And then if I take a parallelogram, right? This is also a convex quadrilateral. Why? Because all the interior angles are less than 180 degree. Okay, that is each interior angle is less than 180 degree. Okay, and then one more thing, the diagonals are lying inside the quadrilateral. Okay, so both the diagonals lie in the interior of the quadrilateral. So such a type of quadrilateral is convex quadrilateral. Each of the interior angle, it should be lesser than 180 degree and the diagonal should lie interior. Okay, it should not lie exterior. What about your concave quadrilateral? For example, if you take this is also having 4 sides. Okay, but when we take the diagonal exists outside the quadrilateral. Okay, that is exterior of the quadrilateral. So when the diagonal lies exterior of the quadrilateral, then it is said to be concave quadrilateral. Also, at least one of its interior angle will be greater than 180 degree. Okay, so when you measure this, definitely it will be of greater than 180 degree. Okay, one of the interior angle will be of greater than 180 degree, as well as at least one diagonal lies exterior of the quadrilateral. Such a type is nothing but concave quadrilateral. So now we have to say that whether rectangle is convex quadrilateral. If it is, so why? Okay. So what about your rectangle? Definitely both the diagonals lies inside the interior of the quadrilateral. Okay, as well as each interior angle is less than 180 degree. Okay, each interior angle less than 180 degree and both the diagonals lie in its interior. Okay, so hence the rectangle, therefore rectangle is convex quadrilateral. Okay, so each interior angle is less than 180 degree, as well as both the diagonals lies inside the quadrilateral. Okay, it is not lying outside, it is lying inside. Hence it is, rectangle is said to be a convex quadrilateral. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.